To wash the fabric neck scarf and pads, start by removing it from the frame. Simply grab the bottom of the mask, then pry the fabric off with your thumbs. You can then easily remove it from the rest of the frame. Once the scarf is off, pull the pads from the inside of the dome. For the best results, remove the foam inserts from pads before washing. Hand or machine wash the fabric in cold water and then lay flat to dry. Do not bleach or iron the scarf. Before reapplying the scarf, replace the pads back inside the dome. Let's start by looking at a few features of the scarf that will make it easy to apply properly. The hood section at the top, the power switch and charge port flap on the side, and the elastic seal on the inside of the scarf. It's important that the seal sits above the lower lip of the frame to ensure all air is forced through the filters. Start by pulling the hood section over the batteries at the top of the frame. This will ensure the power switch and charge flap are on the correct side. Continue pulling the scarf all the way down, around the fans at the bottom of the mask, and up onto the dome until it fits snugly. Now pull out the sides to make sure the seal seats into place above the lip all the way around. You should feel it snap into place. Now take one last look on the inside of the mask to make sure the seal is properly seated above the lip and is not sticking out. Give the dome a quick polish and you're good to go.